If you encounter a fire, let's get started. What actions should you take when facing a fire? First, stay calm and act quickly. Remaining calm allows you to think clearly and make safe choices during a fire. If you panic, you may lose precious time and increase the risk of injury. Do not use elevators during a fire. Using stairs keeps you safe from being trapped in a malfunctioning lift. If you use the elevator, it may stop working and endanger your life. Follow marked escape path. Designated exits guide you to safety quickly and efficiently. If you ignore them, you may enter blocked or hazardous areas. Stay low to the ground when escaping. Crawling helps you avoid smoke and breathe cleaner air. If you walk upright, you may inhale toxic fumes and collapse. Cover your nose and mouth with a wet cloth. Protecting your breathing reduces the harmful effects of smoke. If you leave your face uncovered, you may choke or lose consciousness. Do not return for belongings. When evacuating, you should only take essential items such as your door key, your mobile phone, and a wet cloth to protect your breathing. If you go back for other possessions, you may be trapped or severely injured. Use alternative exits if the main one is blocked. Finding another way out increases your chance of survival. If you insist on using only one path, you may become trapped and unable to escape. Signal for help if you are trapped. You should shout or wave to alert rescuers to your location. If you remain silent, no one may realize that you need help. Do not re-enter the building until it has been declared safe. You should wait for official clearance, because it protects you from hidden dangers inside. If you go back too soon, you may be exposed to smoke, structural collapse, or sudden flare-ups. What actions should you take if you are trapped inside your home during a fire? Seal gaps with wet cloths or towels. You should block gaps with wet cloths or towels, because this prevents smoke from entering, and keeps the air cleaner inside the room. If you leave the gaps open, smoke may quickly fill the space and suffocate you. Choose a safe room with a door. You should stay in a closed room, because it slows the fire's approach and gives you more time to remain safe. If you remain in open areas, the flames may spread quickly and reach you without warning. Signal for help from a window. You should wave your hands or shout loudly to alert rescuers to your exact position. If you remain hidden, rescuers may not realize that you are trapped and in need of help. Do not break windows, unless it is absolutely necessary. You should keep windows intact, because this prevents fire and smoke from entering the room more quickly. If you break them carelessly, the flames may spread into the room and put you in greater danger.
Stay near the floor and away from heat. You should position yourself low to the ground and away from fire sources, because this increases your chance of survival. If you remain close to the heat, you may suffer severe burns or exhaustion.
Wait for rescuers, and do not attempt risky escapes. You should remain where you are, because staying put allows firefighters to reach you safely. If you attempt a dangerous escape, you may fall or be overcome by smoke. What should you take note of the evacuation path? Know your building's evacuation path in advance. You should be familiar with the escape paths, so that you can leave quickly in an emergency. If you do not know them, you may waste valuable time and risk becoming trapped. Keep the evacuation path clear at all times. You should ensure that pathways remain unobstructed, so everyone can escape quickly and safely. If you block the path, people may stumble or be delayed during the evacuation. Move quickly but do not run. You should walk briskly, because this keeps the evacuation orderly and safe. If you run, you may cause panic or accidents that put others at risk. Avoid carrying large items during evacuation. You should leave belongings behind, because keeping the path clear helps everyone escape more quickly. If you carry heavy items, you may slow down and put others in danger. Do not stop or turn back, once you are on the evacuation path. You should continue moving forward, because this keeps the flow of evacuation smooth and orderly. If you turn back, you may block others and put your own life at risk. What common mistakes do people make about fire safety at home? It's safe to leave cooking unattended for a few minutes. Food left on the stove without supervision can quickly ignite and cause flames. If you believe it is safe, a small distraction may lead to a serious kitchen fire. Overloaded sockets are fine if they work. Plugging too many devices into one socket can overheat the wiring and create serious danger. If you assume it is safe, the socket may spark and ignite a fire. Candles are harmless, if placed on a table. Stable surfaces can still catch fire, if candles are near flammable items. If you believe they are safe, a tipped candle may quickly start a blaze. Turning off appliances at night is not important. Devices left on while you sleep can overheat or spark unexpectedly. If you ignore this risk, a fire may start unnoticed during the night. It's safe to store flammable liquids in the kitchen. Because kitchens contain heat sources, they are one of the worst places for combustible items. If you believe it is safe, a spill near the stove could cause a dangerous explosion. Old electrical cords are safe, if they still function. Damaged or frayed cords can spark unexpectedly, even when appliances appear to work. If you ignore this risk, faulty wiring may ignite without warning. Fire extinguishers are only for offices, not homes. Having one at home allows you to control small fires quickly before they spread. If you believe they are unnecessary, a minor fire may grow into a serious disaster. Smoke detectors are unnecessary in small homes. Fires can spread quickly regardless of the size of the home. If you skip installing detectors, you may not notice the danger until it is too late. Rubbish piles and staircases are harmless. Combustible waste can fuel fires and block vital escape paths. If you accept this false belief, rubbish may trap residents during an evacuation.